Welcome to Xapo Bank. Today, we're going to show you how to submit your membership application. As a member, you'll unlock the best for your Bitcoin with our world-class security and exclusive opportunities to grow your Bitcoin wealth. Before we get started, make sure you've got your passport handy. Now go to xapobank.com, click on the menu in the top right-hand corner of your screen, and then click Apply Now. We'll ask you to verify your email address and phone number using a confirmation code. Next, we'll check to make sure you are eligible for membership. Xapo Bank is a global bank that you can use around the world, but there are some countries, like the USA, where we are not available. Once we've confirmed your eligibility, download the Xapo Bank app to continue your application. And you're in. Set up a PIN to secure your account. This PIN will be used to confirm transactions and prevent unauthorized access. Next, we'll verify your home address. This is where we'll send your Xapo Bank card. We'll check your location in real time. If you are traveling, just log back into the app when you get home and you can continue your application. To make sure you, and only you, can access your account, we'll ask you to upload your passport and take a selfie. Almost there. Next, we'll ask you for some basic financial information so we can personalize your account. Tap Continue, and you're all set. We'll review your application and you should get an email from us within 48 hours. Once your application is approved, make your first deposit and pay your membership fee to get full access to the app and banking services. Our dedicated support team is here to help. Just get in touch. We are happy to answer any questions or walk you through the application process step by step.